Anytime you mix garlic, butter, and double cream, you know it's going to be good. This recipe for creamy one-pan chicken thighs is rich, delicious, and just that little bit special. We're also going to be cooking it like it would be done in a restaurant. Pan frying the chicken first gives it lots of flavor. Finishing it in the oven takes it up to the perfect temperature, and then we're going to smother it all in a simple yet luxurious creamy sauce. The end result is a dish that not only tastes fantastic, but looks amazing as well, and it's sure to be a hit with whoever you decide to share it with. Sounds good? This is how you do it. First off is to finely chop a red onion. If you don't have a red onion, you could use shallots or just a white onion and chop it as small as you can get it. And then we're going to season up some chicken thigh fillets with both pepper and salt. And then ideally, we are going to use a heavy frying pan that you can put in the oven. If you don't have one of those, you can transfer to a different pan later. But if you do have one of these pans, get nice and hot, get the chicken breasts in it with some oil, and you're just going to get some color on each side. So about 2 to 3 minutes each side. They don't need to be fully cooked at this stage. We're just wanting to get some color on them. Then remove and set aside. Dial down the heat on the pan a little bit to medium, and add that onion and fry for a couple of minutes and try and scrape some of the burnt bits off the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to add your 15 grams of garlic, that's about a tablespoon. Fry that for a further 30 seconds or so, and then add some chicken stock and some lemon juice. That will help deglaze the pan, but get a whisk in there anyway and just try and really get all those little burnt bits off, because it's just going to add more and more flavour to the sauce. Then we're adding some of the fancy things. We're putting some unsalted butter that's going to add a delicious velvety creamy texture to it. Just allow it to melt, and then do the same with your double cream. At this point, make sure that the heat is off as well. We don't want to boil it away just now. At this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could also just click that like button. It really does help me out with the growth of the channel. It means more people will see this video. Once all those ingredients are nicely combined, add the chicken back into the pan, flip it over a few times, make sure it's coated in the sauce, and then you're going to put the whole thing into the oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 75 degrees. Then once it's ready, garnish with some parsley and a few slices of lemon, and that is it. So there we have it. Creamy one-pan lemon chicken thighs. Looks amazing. Quite indulgent. A lot of butter, cream, but I think it's worth it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like the full recipe, you can get it along with over 290 others in my recipes app. And if you just click a link below in the description, you can download it now. I'm off to get stuck into this, and hopefully I'll see you back here on the channel soon. See ya.